Welcome to EncycloHub. Here we are discussing MA Psychology. Questions. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of question solution in PDF and handwritten. Also, if you need answers of any type of subject or course, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Now question. Answer the following question in about 1,000 words each. 15 times 3 is equal to 45 marks. 5. Discuss the different types of quasi-experimental research design. 6. Discuss the various threats to internal and external validity. 7. Describe the various instruments used in collecting data through survey research. 8. Explain the different types of variables.
Section C.
Answer the following in about 50 words each. 10 times 3 is equal to 30 marks. 9. Ex post facto research. 10. Steps of evaluating data in qualitative research. 11. Discourse analysis. 12. Strengths and weaknesses of field experiment. 13. Types of constructs. 14. Causal comparative research design. 15. Objectivity safeguards. 16. Research biases. 17. Memory effect. 18. Content analysis. Thanks for watching.